Understand using these are. Understand using these are. Okay, let's start. Today we are going to look at using these are. We are going to understand how to use these are. Okay, these are, remember, it's used to show that one is referring to multiple things that are close. These are, it's used to show that one is referring to multiple things that are close. A point to note here, multiple things. So multiple is the same as many. So these are, we use it to show that one is referring to multiple things or many things that are close. So it is used when talking about many items or objects that are nearby. So nearby is the same as close. Something nearby, something close. So these are ekozesebwa okwogera ku bintu ebingi. So these are talks about many things. But this is, as we saw in the previous video, talks about singular object. But this are talks about ebintu ebingi ebiri okumpi. So ekozesebwa okwogera ku bintu ebingi nga biri kumpi. Once again, ekozesebwa okwogera ku bintu ebingi, many items ebiri okumpi that are close. Okay, let's proceed. So it is used to introduce something to be known. It is used to introduce something to be known. So these are, you use it when you want to introduce something to be known. For example, to people or to someone. So ekozesebwa okwanjula ekintu ky'okumanya mu luzungu. So these are tugikozesa okwanjula ekintu ky'okumanya. So ekintu ky'okumanya mu luzungu nga oyagala kukyanjulira abantu. So we use these are as we're going to see in examples. Okay, let's proceed. Please note, for people, once again, for people, when you're referring to people, these are, we often use bano oba gino in Luganda. So when you're referring to people, these are, we normally use it as bano oba bino with other words, as we're going to see. Once again, for people, these are, we often use bano or gino in Luganda, as we're going to see in examples. Okay, for items or for other items, these are, we often use zino oba bino dash dash in Luganda. So for other items which are not people, we often use, so these are, we use it as zino oba bino dash dash in Luganda. Okay, let's go into examples. Ebyoku labirako. These are my friends, which means you are referring to people because these are my friends. These are people. Remember we said for people, these are, we use it as bano oba gino. So these are people. These are my friends. These are my friends. Of course, in Luganda, it's going to be bano mikwano jange because we're referring to people. Friends are people. So these are my friends. Bano mikwano jange. Bano mikwano jange because these are people. Or gino mikwano jange. Bano mikwano jange. Oba one can say gino mikwano jange. Okay, let's look at another examples. These are boys. These are boys. So boys are people. So these are boys. And this in Luganda is going to be bano balenzi because we're referring to people. So these are boys. It's going to be bano balenzi. Bano balenzi. The next one. These are girls. These are girls. Okay. Bano bawala because girls bawala. Bano bawala. The next one. These are students. Students are also people. So these are students. What is that in Luganda? Okay. Bano bayizi. Bano bayizi. So people use bano or bino as we've seen. Bano bayizi. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so for other items, ebintu ebirala. For other items which are non-people, these are clothes. These are clothes. That in Luganda is zino ingoye because they are non-people. So these are clothes. Zino ingoye. Zino ingoye. The next one. These are my clothes. These are my clothes. So we've added my. These are my clothes. Zino ingoye zange because of my. Zino ingoye zange. The next one. These are plates. These are plates. Plates in Luganda is sowani. So zino sowani. Zino sowani because of plates. We've used zino sowani. So these are we change to zino sowani. These are jerrycans. These are jerrycans. Bino bidomola. Remember we've said when for other items these can be used as zino or bino. So jerrycans we say bino bidomola. Bino bidomola. Okay, let's proceed. These are apples. These are apples. In Luganda, zino apple. Zino apple. The next one. These are basins. These are basins. Zino bafu. Zino bafu. Okay, that is it for today. Bye bye. Wait about.